asked it to stop, the way centrifugal motion works and the way um, inertia works, it would be very hard for me to make it stop.
Did you just get zinged or what? I thought so.
Someone else ask a question. Mary, why don't you field a question for us? Something binary. And again, I said something binary because if you give multiple choice, you know, this is only a binary system. It's either yes or no, or 0 or 1. So, go ahead, honey.
Do you like BC working here, owning this place?
I hate to tell you that's a no.
It's very weak no, though.
Keep going.
Do you like it when everybody goes home? Do you like the quiet here?
Yes.
Can we ask if this is a male or a female?
Mm-hmm.
Is this a male spirit?
No.
No,
No.
it just switched.
Yeah.
It just switched.
Mid-swing.
Is this Mary? Are you Mary?
Hang on.
Mary, is this you?
Who's Mary? Because we're getting a yes.
We got,
It's
we
Mary.
got 2 Marys.
We've
here.
got 2.
We got 3 Marys right now.
Neither.
Is this brothel Mary?
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Is that you, Mary? Brothel
It's a
Mary?
wide circle.
That's crazy.
What does that mean?
That's
Hello, Brothel
exciting.
Mary. We love you. I love you.
It's going to cost you.
I dressed and read just for her.
I never
Sorry.
wanted
Keep going,
to.
keep going. If
Okay,
once we have an
okay.
answer, follow up on it.
Mm-hmm.
Did
Mary.
you die here, Mary?
Whoa.
Were you killed?
Yeah, we got a no on did you
No.
die here?
She died
Mary,
here. Unless that was school teacher. Mary.
Could be. Is this school teacher Mary? The one with the brown hair? Do you have brown hair, Mary?
That's a yes.
Do you teach the ABCs, Mary?
Wow. Wow.
No.
No.
How can that sucker go from wild yes to wild?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, keep in mind,
So
you
this-
might have some Marys in mind. It's, the possibility exists that there are others answering. So even if it doesn't fit the facts, try to follow up on questions that will help you identify.
And which one it is?
did you have an abortion?
Nope. Do you have a message for anyone here right now? Oh boy, okay.
What is that?
It's
That's
a
a
yes.
yes.
It's a huge yes.
Being there's so many people here, we're gonna have to somehow find a way to get through all of them. Okay.
Female? Is it a message for a female?
Good, good, good. Closing the box.
Yes. Wait a minute.
Mm, no.
No.
Ask the opposite just for clarification.
Do you have a message for a male? Here.
All right, this is odd. whenever I get a clockwise circular motion, that's almost like rephrase, or like you asked that already or something, because this is now contrary to.
Yeah, the
Do
other
you
way.
have a
If you
message
notice,
for
I
a
closed my
man?
eyes on that one because I don't want to see the result.
Yeah. Do you have a message for a man here in this room?
In clockwise, that's
Heavy swing clockwise.
it's almost a does not compute.
All right. Who's